everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. I have a Hudson Bay haul. I have this bag here, and I have this bag here. Just a little something to show you. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so we got the first bag here. This is Ted stuff. So let's see what we got down. Alright, we got 3 shirts. Pretty nice. They're made from Chaps. They're having great sales at the base, so if you're in the area, check it out because we got a $70 shirt for $24.99. So you can't beat that. Alright, and then we have the same style in like a salmon color. It's pretty. And then we have a blue color shirt. I'm just going to try those on and hopefully they'll be alright. So that's the first bag. Alright, I got the second bag here. And this was purchase with purchase from Lancome. So let's see here. This is the free gift. I got a perfume sample. This is the latest one. It's Idel. So that's probably going to smell good. And I got 2 items. Let me get my glasses on here so I can see the numbers. Alright, so the first one is a lip gloss, or they're calling it lacquer. 500, and it's called Gold for It. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. It's kind of an ombre gold, kind of nice. Okay, and that's like the color. Okay. It's not too bad. It's going to go nice with a lot of different things. Alright, and I'll leave all the information below in the description in case you're looking to pick up some things for your makeup needs. Basically, this is Le Crayon, and this is eyeliner pencil in black. So these are nice. They last for like, I've had one for couple of years, but it's getting down to like really small. So, but yeah, this is eyeliner pencil 602 black ebony, if you're interested. It's pretty good size. And it's just the crayon with the black tip, basically. And you just use your pencil and it goes on pretty good, and then you just use your sharpener like a pencil sharpener. But they have cosmetic sharpeners that you can get pretty inexpensive, dollar store. That's what I would suggest. Okay, this is the free gift. It comes in a pink pouch. It's kind of, it's not rubbery, but it kind of feels like rubber, which is good. Be good for travel. You can wipe it off. You don't have to worry about it. Nice zipper pull. Alright, let's see what we have here. We have the Bicel makeup remover in the travel size. This lasts for a long time. We have the toner Comfort. And that's in travel size as well. Kind of get an idea. Like that. It's 1.69 fluid ounces for the toner. And this is about the same. It's 1.7, so. All right, and then let's see what else we have here. All right, I think I'm missing my mascara. Okay, and I got some premium makeup, cream, and this is Absolute Premium. This is to avoid wrinkles. Alright, I thought that was plastic surgery. Alright, so that's going to be for night. This one's for night. And this one's probably for daytime. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so no mascara. I'm supposed to have some mascara. You're supposed to get 5 pieces and I only got 4. Okay, well, that's not that big of a deal. Alright, it says Lancome there. Right in there, if you can see that. And the zipper pull also says Lancome. Alright, so that's my Bay haul for today. Like, subscribe, share, and comment is always appreciated. And if you're returning, thanks so much for your support. Oh, bag of the day is my 60th anniversary Sleeping Beauty satchel by Dooney & Bourke. Okay, give you a little swing around here. It's a very durable bag. Great weather bag, great everyday bag. Just wipe it off and go. You don't have to worry about it. And hit the bell to be notified every time I upload videos. And that's at least once or twice a week. Alright, so until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a great week, guys. Bye now.